Welcome to Codebooks Academy, where learning meets innovation. Dive into the world of software development and accounting with tutorials that bring subjects to life. Whether you're a budding developer, an aspiring leader, or a finance enthusiast, our tutorials are crafted to enlighten, empower, and entertain. With Codebooks Academy, you're not just learning, you're embarking on a journey of discover. Let's get started. Using your database. SQL databases have traditionally been favored for their strong ACID compliance, making them an ideal choice for transactional systems. ACID stands for Atomicity, Consistency, Isolation, Durability. These properties ensure that all transactions are accurately and reliably processed. However, the world of databases is not limited to SQL. NoSQL databases offer scalability and flexibility, but may require additional mechanisms to handle transactions with ACID properties. They bring a different set of strengths, allowing more flexibility in data modeling and scalability. The emergence of new SQL databases has provided another option. New SQL databases combine the scalability of NoSQL with the transactional integrity of SQL databases. These databases are excellent choices for global, high-volume transactional systems. They bring the best of both worlds, providing scalability alongside transactional integrity. After deciding on the database, the next
Continuous Learning. Codebooks Academy. Thank you for watching.